Hello, and welcome to our latest release notes update for Cove Data Protection 25.5. So today I'm happy to share some important improvements and fixes that we've implemented for our backup and restore solution, so let's dive right in. Effective this release, the new notification service is moving to general availability. Every email template now ships with an unsubscribe link to help with compliance and keep all of our users spam-free. For those of you that are not familiar, the notification service generates real-time event-based notifications for backups that have failed or completed with errors for all protected servers, workstations, and M365 domains. These notification emails can be sent to your customers, your technicians, or to your email parser in your PSA application. On the recovery side, we've improved recovery testing by addressing an issue causing inaccessible boot device errors during testing. For standby image, generally speaking, we've resolved an issue where a restore could fail or not start because of a backup registry size exceeding the available RAM on the restored machine. Now you can have confidence that your restores will initiate successfully and even when dealing with large backup registries. Standby image to Hyper-V. In this environment, we fixed an issue where changes to the virtual machine configuration were incorrectly applied after subsequent restores. This ensures that your virtual machine is going to retain the appropriate IP addresses, CPU, and RAM configurations consistently and accurately even after multiple recoveries. Standby image to Hyper-V on Gen 1 machines. We saw an issue where users with Gen 1 virtual machines that had multiple disks could have some slow performance. We've improved or enhanced this by ensuring that the correct behavior of IDE controllers is enabled to provide a successful restore. This fix guarantees smoother and more reliable recoveries of your Gen 1 virtual machines by maintaining that Gen 1 IDE boot device and then connecting SCSI controllers for your additional disks. Standby image to Azure. We addressed a rare issue caused by a mismatch of the number of physical drives on the restored machine. And then in bare metal recovery, we've addressed a failure that occurs when restoring to a system with an additional drive formatted with the Resilient File System, REFS. This enhancement ensures that your bare metal restores processes are seamless, even if your systems include those REFS formatted disks. And then finally, on the M365 restore front, we've made some significant improvements to restore resiliency and efficiency by optimizing memory usage during SharePoint and OneDrive restores. We've seen reduced resource consumption by up to a 10x factor. This results in a more stable and reliable recovery, especially in large SharePoint and OneDrive restore environments. So thank you for tuning in to our release note update. We're committed to continually improving our products to serve you better. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Until next time, happy recovery.